Y'all, this is how I'm finna show it to my hair appointment. I'm showing it to my hair appointment like that. My hair is so bunched up under this hat. But this is what I'm wearing. And I'm waiting on my daughter before she make me freaking late. At first, the girl tried to like schedule me back and then we worked something out. Okay, she tried to do that little hey boo text. But then now we waiting on Emery while she's still in the bed. And we gotta go. A happy Sunday. It is Sunday, March 8th. A little update. We have made it to the place. We actually been here since like 8:40 something. Then we had left recently because the girl that's doing my hair, she said that it was a crash and her ETA has prolonged time, okay? But yeah, currently just a weight gain, but we're here. So as y'all can see, your girl has gotten to this shop. It's a pretty cute shop. There were other hairstylists in here, which I feel like I could have came before my actual hairstylist came, but it wouldn't have made sense to even come here and still be having to wait. So I just waited in the car. So I did get colors, so I'm making sure to see if she's doing it correctly. Now, no shade, because I am an honest person when it comes to just giving reviews and everything. I like the way she did my hair, but when I book people to do my hair, it's not because I can't do my hair myself. It's because I be wanting the relaxation because I'm always doing my hair myself. She did have her daughter, so that is why you are hearing like babies in the background and her trying to be a mom. But overall, she did a pretty good job, but nothing I'll go back for. So y'all, I just got in the car. This is your girl here. This is what it turned out. Y'all saw the length, but this is what we cut it to because it needs to be in a healthy state. Right now, you feel good. It's good. But what's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob. Bob. I need to do that challenge. We are coming to the mall. We're at the mall. Me and the guys. What's wrong with you, Nelson? What's wrong with Nelson? I like this one. This one good. Ooh, this one is actually cute. I don't know. Now that I see it, I don't like it. Whatever. They had a latte factory here. So I got this one. I got vanilla this time. Last time I got strawberry. So y'all see this dress right here? I tried that dress on, but he said it looked like a robe. So now we're not getting it, and we're headed up to the third department, which I think is the grandma section. Nothing beats these. Do y'all see these? Girl, look at these. He got me in here by trying some shoes on. He just be trying to find me something to do. He just want me to do something. These is cute. Cutesy.
Still running through the mall with your motherfucking daddy.
Now we have made it back home, and I'm about to wrap my hair and wash my face, all of the things, get in the tub because yeah, it's time to relax because later I'm gonna make meal preps and all of this stuff. So I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I also am gonna look up some things online because child, that mall don't never have nothing. I really don't like that mall or whatever. Mall really don't never have anything, child. And I was tired. I had been up since yesterday. But I do like the way my hair is giving. It's so crazy because it was so much cut off. It could have been longer, but I actually do like this length. But yeah, look at my balloon. It's finally going down. And I'm ready to lay down. Bye, y'all.